The finished product is here. Happy New Year 2024. Hi guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Simple Life in the Philippines. For today's video guys, I'm going to make a cake for New Year. So I'm going to show you how I make my chocolate cake. So here, we have the mixing bowl. So we need butter, which is 1/3 butter. Okay, that's it. And then sugar first. We need sugar. Okay. And then butter and sugar. We're going to add the vanilla. Okay, this is vanilla. This one, it takes 5 to 7 minutes until the butter is light color now. Yeah, over here I have the 8-inch baking pan. So I'm gonna make one cake, only one round cake. And I have this is dry ingredients. So it's already measured. And yeah. So I'm going to wait until it's light color. It takes 5 to 8 minutes, guys. And Raymond is helping me how to bake a chocolate cake. So as you can see, guys, the color it changes into a light color. So we have 2 eggs over here. So one by one. And one more eggs. The last one. So we have water and the dry ingredients. So we're going to add the alternate, the dry and the water. The water is divided into 2 and the dry ingredient is divided into 3 portions. The last part. Okay, I'm going to transfer the water mixture to our baking pan, 8-inch baking pan. Okay, there we go. Baking time around 30 to 35 minutes only. So yeah. Okay, so right here I have a cream. So I'm going to use this one for my chocolate ganache. All I need is just half of this cream and 125 grams of chocolate. I chop the chocolate into smaller cubes. The cream. Only medium fire only, guys. Then when you can see there's a bubble, turn it off. Then put your chocolate on your cream. And then leave it cover for 5 minutes without fire. After 5 minutes, guys, just stir your chocolate until mixed well with the cream and the chocolate. Already mixed it well. So just leave it aside. Then I'm going to prepare my cream. I mean the icing for this cream. While waiting, the cake is still in the oven, so I'm going to prepare the icing. I'm gonna use half of this cream for one chocolate cake. So this is good enough for one cake. Okay guys, the cake is ready.
Anyway guys, I make one more cake, so I have two cake now.
Hi guys! Yeah, this time I'm going to decorate my cake now. So I have it here. This is a chocolate flavor. This one. Okay.
And I make one more cake earlier to make it taller a little bit.
I'm going to put the icing. The icing it's not like it's a little bit soft. I don't have the piping box for decorating, so I'm gonna use the plastic. I don't know, it's been a long time I'm not doing lettering. So I'm not sure about this one, but I'm gonna try it. Again, I'm using chocolate for Happy New Year. I'm gonna try to do the Happy New Year dance. I'm not sure if I can do it, but it's because it's been a long time I'm doing this one, so I'm gonna try it. Wait for now, it's not labeled. So I'm going to show you. Not really 100% guys, because I'm not expert with this lettering anymore. Not like before. So now my problem is I only have one pastry bag. So I only have one pastry bag, so I'm gonna do first color red. Oh no, not really good, but I think it's not that, not perfect. It's a little bit soft. Because it's really hot. That's why. I'm just hoping this one is good enough for so yeah. I'm just thinking to put green, red, green, red, but the problem is I only have one. This is a simple cake only, guys. So I have a flower. It's cute. Oh, there's one more. This is the finished product. Happy New Year 2024. So that's the finished product, guys. Ta-da!